Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. Today we are going to make a snack, cheesy potato bread rolls. So how about some cheese oozing out of a bread roll as you break it open? So that's what we're going to do today. So let's quickly check out the recipe, but before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Food Talk with Sharon. So let's first add in some cumin seeds, and once they've spluttered, we'll add in garlic and ginger, both finely chopped. Just fry this till it changes its color a little and is fragrant. Let's now add in chopped onions and some chopped green chilies. Add some turmeric powder to this and some salt. So I'm just adding a little bit now, so if needed, we'll add more later. So into this goes in mashed potatoes. So these have been boiled, skin removed and mashed. So mix this well. Another seasoning we add into this is amchur powder or the dry mango powder. So this just adds a tiny bit of a tangy taste to this filling. But then this is optional. If you don't like that flavor, you can skip this. And after you add in your amchur powder, check for salt, and if you need, you can add a little bit more of salt. So we will be filling this with cheese also. So cheese also has some salt. So just don't go very high on the salt content for the potato filling. And the final garnishing is our coriander leaves. So that's it. The potato filling is ready. So now let's see how do you make these bread rolls with this filling. So now what we need to do with the potato filling is to put a cube of cheese inside it. I've used mozzarella cheese here. Now in case you don't have that, you can use the Amul cheese cubes also. If you're using an Amul cheese cube, you can cut one cube into 4. So you'll need 2 cheese cubes for this recipe. So we are going to take small balls out of the potato mixture, put a cheese cube into it and wrap it up nicely. Just make sure your cheese cube is well wrapped in the potato mixture so that it doesn't come out when you're frying this. You can either shape it into a ball or make it slightly elongated into an oval shape. Now that we have the potato mixture filled with the cheese cubes, let's now prepare the bread for the bread rolls. Now for the bread, what I've done is I've removed the edges and I've taken a bowl with some water in it. All you need to do is dip your bread slice lightly into this. Make sure it's not like completely soaked. And then use both your palms and squeeze out the water. So you get a flat slice of bread like this. Now into this, place the potato mixture and just cover it up completely in the bread slice. In case you feel that you're not able to cover the entire potato mixture with the bread slice, you can actually take one more bread slice and repeat the same process over this.